lying kissed by the night so still, a heart in anguish yet bends to will. One drop of blood for a world to save, love so mighty it conquers the grave. So hard, a love unbroken through pain untold, a story of grace in a crimson fold. The wood it splinters, the burden grows. Each step he stumbles, oh mercy flows. A world of sinners upon his back. Through pain eternal, he stayed on track. From the nails to the sky, his cry outpours. Forgive them, Father, they know not the wars. Raised in agony, yet triumph rings. Death defeated, all salvation brings. From the nails to the sky, his cry outpours. Forgive them, Father, they know not the wars. Raised in agony, your triumph rings. Death defeated, oh salvation brings. Oh crown of thorns, oh hands so scarred, bearing the weight of a world so hard. A love unbroken through pain untold, a story of grace in a crimson fold.